So let me divide that question into those two pieces. There is absolutely a critical policy discussion that needs to happen at the national level. And it doesn't apply just to how we use AI in defense and intelligence. It applies to how we use AI in our social media applications, in our email applications. In general, how will we use computers to make life better for people by making better real-time decisions over data? We haven't had such a discussion yet, and we badly need to do that. Now, operationally, I'm not that concerned right now about use of these technologies in the national security apparatus. It's not that they're not being used, but it's that in general, they're very specifically applied to particular problems and used in ways that are consistent with the laws that govern the national security agencies and how they behave generally. So operationally, I don't think we've got an immediate problem. I think broadly, as these technologies mature, we need to think as a society about what we want them to do for us.